Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use Apple CarPlay without the USB cable with this wireless guide. Many newer cars already support wireless CarPlay, so all you need to do is to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Then go to Settings, General, CarPlay, Available Cars, and select your vehicle. After the first setup, your phone will connect automatically whenever you start the car. If your vehicle doesn't have built-in wireless CarPlay, you can still make it work by using wireless CarPlay adapter, which you plug into your car's USB port and creates a wireless bridge. Popular adapters like CarLink Kit or AutoCast are ready to set up. Just plug it in, pair it with your iPhone, and you'll have wireless CarPlay in seconds. This way, you get all the same features: maps, music, calls, messages, without dealing with cables. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.